As a project manager, your role extends far beyond scheduling tasks and managing teams. A critical aspect of successful project delivery, especially for service-based businesses or freelancers, involves meticulous financial tracking. This includes understanding project profitability, ensuring clients are billed accurately and promptly, and having easy access to financial data for reporting and analysis. For many, FreshBooks serves as the go-to tool for managing invoices and expenses. But what happens when you need to pull that data out for deeper analysis, share it with an accountant, or migrate to another system? This is where understanding how to export invoices in FreshBooks becomes a valuable skill. The good news is that FreshBooks, being designed with user-friendliness in mind, provides straightforward ways to export your invoice data. It offers different export formats to suit various needs, primarily focusing on PDF for individual invoices and CSV, comma-separated values, for bulk data, which is excellent for spreadsheet analysis. Let's break down the process, ensuring it's clear for anyone, from a new user to someone looking to optimize their financial data management for project insights. Method 1. Exporting individual invoices as PDFs. Great for sharing and records. Sometimes you don't need a massive spreadsheet of all your invoices. You might just need a PDF copy of a specific invoice to send to a client, attach to a report, or keep for your personal records. FreshBooks makes this incredibly easy. Navigate to the Invoices section. Log into your FreshBooks account. On the left-hand navigation menu, you'll see Invoices. Click on it to open your list of invoices. Locate the invoices. Find the specific invoices you wish to export. You can use the search bar or filters by client, status, date range, etc. to narrow down your list if you have many invoices. Select the invoices. For a single invoice, hover over the invoice you want, and you'll often see a More Actions or click on it. For multiple invoices, check the box next to each invoice you want to select. This will activate a Bulk Actions button, usually at the top of the invoice list. Initiate download. For a single invoice, from the More Actions menu, select Download PDF or Print, which often allows you to save as a PDF from your browser's print dialog. For multiple invoices, click the Bulk Actions button, then choose Download PDF. Save the PDF. Your browser will likely prompt you to save the PDF file to your computer. Choose your desired location and click Save. This method is perfect for sending professional-looking copies to clients, archiving specific invoices for a project, or attaching them to project closure documents. Method 2. Exporting invoice data as a CSV, ideal for analysis and reporting. For project managers and financial analysts, exporting invoice data into a CSV file is far more powerful. A CSV file can be opened in any spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers, allowing you to sort, filter, analyze, and manipulate the data to gain deeper insights into your project financials, client billing trends, or overall revenue. The primary way to get detailed invoice data into a CSV in FreshBooks is through its Reports section, specifically the Invoice Details report. Go to the Reports section. On the left-hand navigation menu in FreshBooks, find and click on Reports. Select Invoice Details Report. Within the Reports section, look for Invoice Details under the Invoice and Expense Reports category. Click on it. Refine your report. Filters are your friend. This is a crucial step for getting exactly the data you need. The Invoice Details Report allows you to apply various filters. Date range. Specify the period for which you want invoice data, e.g., this month, last quarter, custom date range, for a specific project timeline. Issue date versus paid date. Decide if you want invoices based on when they were issued or when they were fully paid. This is vital for cash flow analysis versus overall billing. Clients. Filter by specific clients or view invoices for all clients. For project managers, filtering by client, if each project has a distinct client, can be incredibly useful. Status. Include invoices that are draft, sent, paid, overdue, etc. Team members. If you have multiple team members invoicing, you can filter by who created the invoice. Currency. If you deal with multiple currencies, you can filter the report by a specific currency. Other filters, depending on your FreshBooks setup, you might have additional options like filtering by project. Take your time here. The more precise your filters, the more relevant and useful your exported data will be. Run the report. Once you've set your desired filters, click the Run Report or similar button to generate the report with your specified criteria. Export for Excel, CSV. Look for a More Actions or Export button, typically in the top right corner of the report. Click on it, and then select Export for Excel. This will download the report as a CSV file to your computer. Open and analyze. Open the downloaded CSV file in your preferred spreadsheet program. You'll find columns for invoice number, client name, issue date, due date, amount, status, line item details, and much more. Now you can calculate total revenue for specific projects, track outstanding balances by client or project phase, identify billing trends or potential cash flow issues, perform custom analysis that FreshBooks built-in reports might not cover, prepare data for your tax accountant or for integration with other financial tools. Why exporting invoices matters for project managers. Exporting invoice data isn't just a technicality. It's a strategic move for project management. Financial health check. Regular exports and analysis of invoice data allow you to monitor the financial health of your projects and your business. Are projects consistently profitable? Are payments being received on time? Budget versus actual analysis. You can compare invoiced amounts against initial project budgets and estimates to identify variances and understand where your financial projections might need adjustment. Resource allocation. Understanding which projects and clients generate the most revenue can inform future resource allocation and business development strategies. Accountability and reporting. Having a robust record of all invoices, easily exportable, is crucial for internal reporting, client communication, and tax compliance. Client relationship management. Analyzing invoicing patterns can help you understand client payment behavior and proactively address potential issues. By mastering these simple export methods in FreshBooks, project managers gain invaluable control over their financial data, enabling them to make more informed decisions, optimize project profitability, and ensure the smooth financial flow of their operations. It transforms raw data into actionable insights, which is a cornerstone of effective project management.